Maintaining a home takes time, effort, and expertise. From routine maintenance to unexpected repairs, homeowners often find themselves juggling multiple responsibilities just to keep everything in good condition. That's why many are turning to professional residential services for reliable, high-quality solutions. If you live in Rochester Hills, here's why choosing professional residential services is a smart decision for your home. One of the biggest reasons homeowners rely on professional services is the convenience they provide. Managing repairs, upgrades, and maintenance on your own can quickly become overwhelming. Whether it's fixing a leaky faucet, updating a kitchen, or handling exterior improvements, having a trusted team take care of these tasks saves time and reduces stress. Instead of coordinating multiple contractors or attempting DIY fixes, you can depend on experienced professionals to handle everything efficiently. Expertise is another major advantage. Professional residential service providers bring years of experience and specialized knowledge to every project. They understand the best materials, techniques, and solutions for different types of homes and issues. This ensures that the work is done correctly the first time, reducing the risk of future problems. For homeowners in Rochester Hills, this level of expertise is especially valuable when dealing with seasonal changes that can affect a home's structure and systems. Quality workmanship is something every homeowner wants, and professional services deliver just that. When you hire experienced professionals, you can expect attention to detail and high standards in every aspect of the job. From small repairs to large renovations, quality work not only improves the appearance of your home but also enhances its durability and long-term value. Another key benefit is access to the right tools and materials. Many home improvement tasks require specialized equipment and high-quality products that may not be readily available to the average homeowner. Professional service providers come prepared with everything needed to complete the job safely and effectively. This not only improves the outcome but also eliminates the need for homeowners to invest in expensive tools they may only use once. Safety is also an important factor. Certain home projects, such as electrical work, roofing, or structural repairs, can pose risks if not handled properly. Professional residential services follow industry standards and safety protocols to ensure that work is completed without unnecessary hazards. This gives homeowners peace of mind, knowing that their property and their family are protected. Cost effectiveness is another reason many homeowners choose professional services. While it may seem more affordable to handle repairs on your own, mistakes can lead to more expensive fixes down the line. Professionals get the job done right, helping you avoid repeat repairs and unexpected expenses. Additionally, their efficiency often saves both time and money in the long run. Professional residential services also help maintain and even increase your home's value. Regular maintenance and timely upgrades keep your property in excellent condition, which is especially important if you plan to sell in the future. A well-maintained home is more appealing to buyers and can command a higher market price. Customization is another advantage homeowners appreciate. Professional service providers can tailor their work to meet your specific needs and preferences. Whether you're looking to modernize your space, improve functionality, or enhance curb appeal, they can create solutions that align with your vision. Finally, reliability and ongoing support make a big difference. Building a relationship with a trusted residential service provider means you always have someone to call when issues arise. Instead of searching for help each time something needs attention, you have a dependable partner who understands your home and can respond quickly. In the end, choosing professional residential services in Rochester Hills is about more than just convenience. It's about protecting your investment and improving your quality of life. With expert care, reliable solutions, and long-term benefits, professional services help ensure your home remains safe, comfortable, and valuable for years to come.